Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make spaghetti with meat sauce. Please stick around and watch this video. The ingredients are, I have about 2 pounds of ground beef, my ragu sauce, pasta over here. I'm using this brand. You can use whichever brand you want to use. Italian seasoning. I have red and green bell pepper chopped. I have 3 minced garlic, 1 onion chopped, some olive oil over here, black pepper, garlic powder, and I also have some crushed red peppers. And these are my ingredients. First, I'm going to start by boiling the pasta. You want to bring the water to a rapid boil, and I'm going to add salt, which is 1 teaspoon, to add flavor. While I'm waiting for the water to come to a boil to add the pasta, I'm going to go ahead and cook the minced beef. I'm going to turn the heat on medium high. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and I'm going to let this heat up. All is heated, so now I'm going to add the garlic. Gonna add the onion, and I'm gonna add the bell peppers. And I'm just gonna saute this. Now I'm gonna add the minced beef. You want to mash this up because you don't want big chunks to be your meat sauce. You want this to be refined. This is smelling good. Now I'm going to go in and add my seasoning. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning. And you can use whichever all-purpose seasoning you got. Whichever seasoning you like to use in your everyday cooking. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. And I'm going to add my Italian season. This Italian season got basil, oregano, parsley, onion flakes, a lot of herbs and spices to it. And rosemary. And I'm using 1 teaspoon. And I'm just going to combine everything like this. And this beef is not that fatty, so it don't produce much oil into the pot. And this is great. It's more on the lean side. So I'm just going to taste the beef. I think it needs about 1 teaspoon of salt. I like to season the beef well before I add the tomato sauce to it, or ragu. I like to get this part well flavored and seasoned before I add the tomato sauce to it. So this is tasting exactly how I like it. Now I'm going to add the sauce to it. I'm going to give this a shake. Oh my goodness, this is looking awesome, and it's smelling great. It is smelling even great. Okay. It's looking good. So I'm gonna let this simmer down for about 3 minutes. Let everything get heated up and all infused with the flavor. Everything blend together nicely. And I'm gonna add the pasta because the water has come to a rapid boil now. And I'm gonna add about 1/4 of the box of the pasta. I'm gonna add this amount. I'm just gonna open the pot and I'm gonna add the pasta like this. And they're gonna go down. No need to break the pasta. It's just gonna, see? Cook the pasta for 4 minutes, which is al dente. And if you want it firm, you can cook it for 5 minutes. And if you want it tender, you can cook it for 6 minutes. So I'm just gonna wait till the pasta is cooked. The sauce is basically finished, but I like to add some sugar into my spaghetti sauce. You don't have to add sugar, you can just go ahead and eat. Serve and share right about now. But I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of sugar into my spaghetti sauce. No, this is not gonna make it sweet, it's just gonna balance out the flavor of the tanginess of the tomatoes. As I said, this part is totally optional. I know a lot of you guys don't put sugar in your spaghetti sauce. Okay. Okay. And there you have it, guys. This is how I make my meat sauce. Smelling delicious and looking even better. Look at this. Now I'm gonna serve this up for you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you learn how to make this simple and easy sauce. If you find quality of this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. The pasta is finished. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drain this off. Now I'm gonna serve some of the pasta. You can go ahead and add your pasta to your meat sauce, but I like mine on top. I like my meat sauce on top of my pasta. So I'm just gonna serve a little bit like this over it. Add some fresh parsley. Yummy. Just to give it some bright color. Now we're gonna eat our spaghetti. Ooh. Let this cool. Gonna give you the first bite. Here. Tell me how it tastes if you like it. You like it? So thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. It's good. Oh, okay. Bye, guys. See you in my next one. Tell them bye.
Bye.
This is so good, man. The flavors is coming together. I love it.